exploring the enchanting canals of the Netherlands. The canals of the Netherlands are a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the ability to harmonize with nature. They are not merely waterways. They are the lifeblood of the Dutch landscape and a reflection of the nation's history, culture, and identity. These intricate networks of canals, often referred to as gracht in Dutch, serve various purposes, from water management and transportation to cultural and recreational activities. This exploration delves deep into the history, functionality, and cultural significance of the Dutch canals, offering a comprehensive understanding of their enduring legacy. The historical significance of Dutch canals. The beginning of water management. The Netherlands, often called the Low Countries, is a land that lies below sea level. Its relationship with water has been a defining factor in its history. As early as the 12th century, Dutch communities began constructing dikes and canals to reclaim land from the sea and protect against flooding. These early efforts laid the foundation for a sophisticated water management system that continues to evolve today. The Dutch Golden Age and urban canals. The 17th century marked the Dutch Golden Age, a period of immense economic, cultural, and scientific prosperity. During this time, canals became central to urban planning and trade. Cities like Amsterdam, Utrecht, Leiden, and Delft expanded their canal networks to facilitate commerce and accommodate growing populations. Amsterdam, in particular, became renowned for its semicircular canal ring, gracht, which was meticulously designed to optimize trade and transportation. This innovative system also provided sanitation and water supply, reflecting the Dutch commitment to practicality and efficiency. The architecture of Dutch canals. Engineering marvels. The construction of canals in the Netherlands involved advanced engineering techniques. Builders had to account for water levels, soil stability, and the need for drainage. Locks, sluices, and windmills were integral components of these systems, ensuring that water could be controlled and directed as needed. Iconic canal houses. Lining the canals are the iconic narrow and tall canal houses, grachtenpanden, which have become synonymous with Dutch cities. These buildings were designed to maximize space on limited plots of land. Many feature large windows, steep staircases, and ornate gables that reflect the wealth and status of their original owners. Major canal cities. Amsterdam, the Venice of the North. Amsterdam's canal network spans over 100 kilometers, featuring more than 1,500 bridges and 90 islands. The city's three main canals, Prinsengracht, Herengracht, and Keizersgracht, form a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Prinsengracht, named after the Prince of Orange, this canal is lined with charming houseboats and historic buildings. Herengracht, known as the Gentleman's Canal, it was historically home to the city's wealthiest merchants and bankers. Keizersgracht, the Emperor's Canal, is notable for its elegant bridges and serene ambience. Utrecht, unique wharf-style canals. Utrecht's canals are distinguished by their sunken design, with wharf-level terraces that once served as storage areas for merchants. Today, these terraces house cafes, boutiques, and art galleries, offering a unique canal-side experience. Leiden, a city of bridges and waterways. Leiden boasts an extensive network of canals, second only to Amsterdam. Its picturesque waterways are lined with trees, windmills, and historic architecture. The city's canals are often used for festivals and events, enhancing their cultural significance. Delft, a blend of history and innovation. Famous for its blue pottery, Delft's canals are as charming as its artistic legacy. The city's waterways reflect a mix of medieval charm and modern vibrancy, making it a favorite destination for tourists. Water management. Flood control. Canals work in tandem with dikes, sluices, and pumps to prevent flooding in low-lying areas. Land reclamation. Polders, or reclaimed land, are often drained using canal networks. Irrigation and drainage. Canals facilitate agricultural activities by providing irrigation and draining excess water. Transportation. During the Golden Age, canals served as vital trade routes, allowing goods to be transported efficiently within and beyond Dutch borders. Today, while road and rail transport have taken precedence, canals remain crucial for specific industries and recreational purposes. Recreation and tourism. Boating and cruises. Canal tours are a popular way to explore Dutch cities, offering a unique perspective of their architecture and history. Ice skating. In winter, frozen canals transform into skating rinks, a cherished Dutch tradition. Festivals and events. Canals are often the focal points for cultural events, such as the Amsterdam Light Festival and the Gay Pride Parade. Cultural significance. Inspiration for art and literature. The canals of the Netherlands have inspired countless artists and writers. Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer often depicted canal scenes in their paintings, capturing the interplay of light and water. Contemporary photographers and filmmakers continue to find creative inspiration in these waterways. Community and identity. Canals are more than just infrastructure. They are integral to Dutch identity. They symbolize the nation's resilience and ingenuity, embodying the Dutch ethos of living harmoniously with nature. Challenges and conservation efforts. Maintenance and upkeep. Maintaining the canal networks requires regular dredging, cleaning, and structural repairs. The Amsterdam municipality, for instance, spends millions annually to ensure that its canals remain navigable and visually appealing. Environmental concerns. Efforts are underway to make canals more sustainable by improving water quality and reducing pollution. Initiatives include the use of electric boats and the introduction of aquatic plants to promote biodiversity. Balancing modernization and preservation. As cities grow, there is a need to balance modernization with the preservation of historical canal systems. Urban planners strive to integrate modern infrastructure while respecting the cultural heritage of these waterways. Experiencing the canals. Tips for visitors. Take a canal cruise. Whether it's a guided tour or a private boat ride, cruising the canals is a must. Visit during festivals. Events like the Amsterdam Light Festival offer a magical experience. Explore on foot or bike. Walking or cycling along the canals allows for a more intimate exploration of their charm. Hidden gems. The Jordaan district in Amsterdam, known for its narrow canals and artistic vibe. The Gracht in Utrecht, a picturesque canal with unique sunken wharves. The Windmills of Kinderdijk, a UNESCO site showcasing the integration of canals and windmills. Conclusion. The canals of the Netherlands are a remarkable blend of history, functionality, and beauty. They stand as enduring symbols of Dutch innovation and adaptability, offering lessons in water management and urban planning. Beyond their practical uses, these waterways are cultural treasures that continue to inspire and delight those who experience them. Whether through a leisurely boat ride, a winter skate, or simply strolling along their banks, the canals provide a unique window into the soul of the Netherlands.